Internet money hit people that are with right informations.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
In this video, we're going to be diving into a crucial topic of securing a loan of 100 to 5 million, 500,000 to 5 million without collateral in Nigeria. Are you a business owner looking for simple and easy loan of 500,000 to 5 million to boost your small business, or you are a monthly worker that need financial support? Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 sources of loan you can get at your doorstep in Nigeria without collateral. Are you excited to get the full information already? Oh yeah, smash the like button, tell me in the comment section I subscribe, then like this video. That's the most important thing. Just like the video. Alright, without further ado, let's dive in. Make sure you don't skip any part, because these 4 that I'm going to mention has an advantage over themselves. The first one on our list here is called Jumia Pay. You have heard of Jumia before, but you might not know that Jumia is giving loan to business owner or monthly workers. Now, coming to their dashboard, you see something like borrow money up to 500,000 straight from your phone to make your everyday life easier. No collateral, no paperwork, via the Jumia Pay Android app only. To apply for this one, you have just 5 steps. Step 1, download Jumia Pay app on your mobile phone. Step 2, open it and scroll down to where it says financial services sections and click on loans. Step 3, provide all requested information. They are going to be requesting of your name, your address, and your account detail. Input everything. Step 4, approval take few minutes, and you're going to be getting email. And once you open the email, they are going to be demanding you to send your informations, including your account detail, for confirmations. Then lastly, as you provide the information instantly, you are going to be getting the loan on your account. I'm going to be giving you 4 reasons or 5 reasons you should apply on this Jumia Pay. First, it's easy to apply, no long form fill. To fill the form is very easy and simple. Secondly, it takes within 30 minutes. It takes within 30 minutes to get this loan to your local bank account. Thirdly, no collateral is required. Fourth, they have very low interest rates. 5, repayment is very easy. These are the 5 reasons you should look into this particular Jumia Pay. The next sources of loan we are having on our dashboard is GT Bank. Do you know GT Bank is giving loan? Not heard of this before, but you should know that GT Bank give loans. Coming to their dashboard, you see something like quick loan for small business. You should not have run around to run your business. For salary earner, if you come down, you're going to see something like salary advance. Get up to 50 of your net monthly salary upfront, available to staff of private company and government agency with active salary accounts domiciled in GT. As a salary earner or as a business owner, you can get loan from GT Bank. How do you apply on this particular one? It's pretty simple. If you have GT app on your mobile phone, just head over to it and apply. If you are using smartphone and you don't have GT app on your mobile phone, just dial *737*8*2#, then send. After you send, you are going to be following all the instructions that they are going to be giving you. Just follow it to the end, then input the amount to which one you need, and instantly you are going to be getting this loan to your provided account detail. So this is the second one. The third one on our list is loan app. Now that I call loan app now, you don't feel comfortable, right? Don't worry, because I got you covered. There are some loan app in Nigeria that give loan without troubling your life, without disturbing you or calling anyone around you, and they don't even demand for your BVN or collateral. I've compiled a video of best 4 loan app in Nigeria. The thumbnail is showing around already. Just go and watch that one. It's going to guide you on 4 applications, 4 loan app that can give you a good loan without troubling your life, and you can pay back at your convenient time. So go and watch the video. It will guide you on how you can get this loan. And in that video, I want to show you guys how you can block all this loan app from accessing your contacts. Maybe you have given your contact out to all this loan app already and they are troubling you, calling you. I show in that video how you can block them from accessing your contact. They will not be able to contact you again. So you can go and also watch this one for proper guide on how you can get a loan of 500 to 700,000 for your small business or for financial support. The last one on our list is called microfinance bank. We have over 100 microfinance bank in Nigeria that are ready to give you loan for your personal use or for a business purpose. To get a loan from microfinance bank is very, very, very easy. But the only problem is that they gave you loan based on your look and your business idea and your interactive with them. So it's advisable whenever you want to get a loan from microfinance bank, they don't have app presently that you can apply online. You have to go to any nearest microfinance bank. Just like I said, we have over 100 microfinance bank in Nigeria that give loan presently. Anyone closer to you that you know, just go there. But don't go to Lapo, all right? They are dangerous. They can trouble your life, all right? So just go to any nearest one around you. And when going to there, dress properly, okay? Dress corporate. With your dressing, they first rate your dressing. That is your first criteria of getting this loan. And your proposal, what you have in mind, the business idea, know how to compose yourself and discuss this your business with them. And they are willing to give you as much as you require, from 500 to 5 million for your small business. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you have questions, feel free to drop in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you and I'll be there to support you so you can get this loan to finance your business or to support yourself in any area you need money for yourself. We have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time in our next video. Peace out.